Section 5 CIT Karnataka Power Transmission Corporation Limited. Scope of total income, wheeling charges, certainty, uncertainty of receiving, method of accounting not assessable as income for the relevant year. Necessary rise in demand upon state electricity board for several states towards transmission charges. The wheeling charges for transmission or exchange of electricity by assessee among these states. However, due to dispute with regard to such wheeling charges among all these states, there was uncertainty of receiving, and same did not recognize the revenue. Said wheeling charges as income. AO made an addition on that account as such wheeling charges. Tribunal deleted the addition. Dismissing the appeal of revenue, the court held that since there was an uncertainty of receiving wheeling charges due to dispute, income did not accrue to assessee through during the end, and same could not be objected to tax. Order of tribunal was affirmated. So what is this now? There was an this Karnataka Power Transmission Corporation. What they had distribution electricity to various states. They have not recognized the one income, that is wheeling charges, that is transportation charges. They didn't recognize it. Why did they not recognize such income? Such income is can't be recognized, but because there is uncertainty. What uncertainty in receiving such income? So due to the dispute, they didn't recognize income. Is this the fact of accounting is correct? It's correct. As due to the accrual concept, any expenses to be accrued income should be accounted, but income is not liable even though it's accrued during the period. There's an uncertainty of receiving, that is no surety of receiving, or no surety of receiving. Then what I can do, we need not to account the income. The income can be accounted on the receipt basis. This is accounting policy itself. It is supporting this procedure. So a decision of tribunal is no need to account the income on accrual basis, account the income on the receipt basis as on the accrual concept. No accrual concept doesn't apply on this point. Very good.